Alright, today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Wild Force Putrid. Now, I will tell you, in my original collection, I had both the Lunar Wolf Ranger and the Blue Ranger, the Surging Shark and the Howling Wolf, but did not have the Putrid until after I had sold my original collection. I do have the Lunar Wolf Ranger back, but I still don't have the Blue Wild Force. I don't have Max Cooper back yet. But anyways, let's take a look at this. So you can see on the front of there, you got the Power Rangers Lightning Collection here. You got the Hasbro logo there, and down there it says Wild Force Putrid. Take a look at this side. Got the figured face and Wild Force Putrid, and then you look up top there, Power Rangers Wild Force, and look on this side, get a better action of them. Oh, yeah. Nope, doesn't really work like that. Okay, so you got that, so that, and then it looks like there, and then your dimensions. It says he's 160 millimeters, or 6.25 inches, and that's all the stuff it comes with. So I get through all that there. Take a look there for the barcode. And there's just a bunch of that there. Take a longer look at the barcode if you need it. Okay, so let's open her up. Actually, not even any tape. Okay. That is, I don't know, disconcerting or what, but, oh, it's on the side. My bad. So, let's get a look at them. Take that out. Take this out. Take a look at the figure first. So, taking a look at the figure, everything appears to be alright with this one. No big issues, unlike the Tenga 2-pack that I received from Amazon. So, let's see. Neck, back and forth's alright. Range of motion for up. There's up, down, at T-pose. There's a lot more give in that arm than there is in this arm. Butterfly joints, pretty good there, pretty good there. Okay, let's see, the torso, ab crunch. That far down, that far back, and T-pose. Whoa! We have got the full Van Damme on that one. Yep. Not too bad on the drop-down hips. There is a slight, but it's not all-encompassing like most of them. Thigh swivel. Knee joint, good there, goes all the way up, touches the back of the bum. Knee joint here, good there, all the way back, touches the bum. And let's see, what do we got? Any ankle rock? Okay, there's that there, the ankle rocker. All right, what else? Let me take a look at the accessories. Is he gonna come out? Yep. Oh, alrighty. Okay. Well, you can see it here. Got your hand there. Got your hand there. And the club. And we got this there. So, let's see, what can we do? Which hand? Well, I guess this hand. So take it off. That hand and put that there. And we will get it in this hand here. And that's what it looks like with the club there. So that's what it looks like with this fist hand. And the grip hand with the club. If you want to look at them with the other hand, take this one off. Get off camera here. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put that one in. Move it up so it doesn't. We don't have a fiasco like last time. So there, and that's what it looks like with the chop hand. That hand goes back and forth. This one goes up and down. Let's see, what's the back and forth articulation with the open hand. And then with this fist hand, it's back and forth too. So back and forth. So let's see. I'm supposing... Let me take a look at the box for a minute. Yeah, they kind of just have it like this kind of way. So it's basically just like that. So that. Of course, if you want to take a look at off camera here, we take a look at the hand, open hand with the karate chop or thrust hand. We can do this. And that's that. Well, to tell you the truth, I mean, it's just a basic army builder figure, but since they only made 2 Wild Force, you don't have to get too crazy with the army builds. I mean, you could basically buy 2 or 3 and you've got enough there. Because it's not like they made all 6 Wild Force Rangers, so there was no need to buy 6 Putrids unless you wanted to army build them for like your Lost Galaxy or your SPD or your In Space or Zeo or Mighty Morphin. Or your Dino Charge, because those are basically pretty much the only teams where they had the Core 5 or Core 6. So they didn't really finish a lot, but I mean, for a figure, it's solid, but just kind of a bland figure. I don't know. And there's nothing wrong with it, but basically to me, I say it's an 8. I mean, if it was like more intricate, like the Zeo Cog or the Mighty Morphin Putty, but you know, Wild Force Putrid, this is all it is. So basically like a 7.5 or an 8 out of 10. There's not really much more I can say, but I don't know. You tell me, did you like it? Was it cool? I mean, what did you think about it? Anyways, just let me know in the comments what you think, and if you haven't already, be sure to hit that notification, or be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I have new videos up. Catch you next time. Bye.